everybody, Las Vegas Bus Sales.
Take a walk around, check it out. Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you one of my favorite buses. That's a 2014 Bluebird All-American bus. This bus seats 44 passengers, has underbelly storage there, if you can see it right there. And even on the inside, we've got some individual seats. We'll take a walk around and show it to you. See it firsthand, see if I can keep the wind out of the mic. But this is a beautiful blue Bluebird. And the tires are great. Yep, you got your fuses here, typical fuses. You got your diagram, so you can manage the fuses. Yeah, this is a box here. This isn't pass through, but we'll show you those there. Actually, let's show you those. Those are more exciting. Looky there. You've got pass-through underbelly storage. Look at that. Even that latch looks kind of new right there. That's exciting. I like latches. We like clicky things. And drive tires.
Action back there?
Yeah, where do you see the action?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Right here? Oh, right there. Yeah, well, that's easy to miss it. But yeah, we can probably touch that up a little better, can't we? This bus does have air ride. What do you think of those drive tires, Alex?
I think they're in great shape. They're not great, but I would probably say they're 50%.
Yeah.
They're good.
They're good. If you're going to do a people mover or some adventure tours.
Does this take DEF?
This bus here? This bus takes
I
DEF.
think it does take DEF.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Coming around the back here, do we see, by the way, while we're back here, do we see any, no dents or dings? Little something right there. You can't even really see it. But look here. You've got that Cummins 6.7 ISB, same one they run in the Freightliners.
Not a Cummings.
A Cummins.
Come-ins.
Very clean engine compartment. Latch that back up. Ooh, we got a windy side. Looky here. You've got, see if I can get the wind out of my mic. You know what? Those are brand new batteries.
Yes, they are.
Same story on this side. Like Alex had mentioned earlier, the bus does take DEF. You put it in.
What does that stand for?
Diesel exhaust fluid. It's a good bus. 2014 air ride.
It has automatic chains.
Automatic chains. I forgot to mention that. Thank you, Alex. It does have automatic chains. Diesel fill up here, and of course takes 100 gallons of diesel. Yep. Double checking. Air actuated doors. Of course, we got the bus off right now, so. But man, Alex, look at this driver's area. It's in excellent shape.
Excellent shape. Look at that seat.
Yep.
It's brand new.
As you can imagine, drivers really are abusive on the driver's area, but whoever drove this one did a good job. They took care of it. Look at that. You got a PA system.
In nice shape.
Yeah. You got your AM, FM, CD radio. Look at that. And you know what? Look at this. This is probably the nicest cloth seats I've seen on a bus, shuttle, or anything.
Nice.
Look at that. It's very durable too.
Yeah.
What would you call that? That's like a gray.
Really nice.
It's got a little shine to it.
Kind of like suede. It reminds me of Alcantara.
Huh, yeah. Alcantara. You got front and rear AC blowing both directions, keeping everybody cool. Of course, you got the tinted windows. Probably pretty comfortable in here. You do have front and rear heat. We got a couple of heaters here under the floor. Yeah, there's one there. There's one there, and then there's one up here. And of course, you got heat coming from the dash up front too. So if you needed heat, you've got it. Floors are all in great shape. Gray, durable vinyl floors. Very nice. Plenty of headroom, by the way. This bus is set up for adults to move around real nicely, and at 93 inches across, what's that, about 77 inches of headroom? I'm 6'2", if that puts it in perspective for you. Kind of give you a visual. But look at that. Just a beautiful Bluebird bus. And you know what I forgot to mention to you? 61,000 miles. That's all that's on this thing. Putting it really low for a used bus like this. Price and availability, where do you find it? LasVegasBusSales.com, or give us a call at 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.